Hi guys. Good afternoon. It's lunchtime, about 12 o'clock now. We're in front of we're at Kampung Benggali in Butterworth. So we're going to this place called Tokyo Restaurant for lunch. Come, let's go and check it out. Oh, very old school. Look at this mosaic. Old school type of chucha place. That's the herbal steamed chicken, spinach. This is the caramel soya prawns, and the famous fish egg, steamed egg. No, not steamed. How's it, Naomi? Good, ah?
Huh?
How's the food?
It's good.
Good, huh? Nice. Oh, still got one more. What's this?
That one,
Wow. Thank you, uncle. Oh, 好了哦。好了。So this is a chucha place. You can see they're very they call it kotabi dishes. Everything really tastes and smells great here. So you can come now. It's about 12:10, and so the whole coffee shop is already full. So you can come about 11:45. You want to you don't get to sit easily. Oh, that's a really good lunch. All the dishes were really good. Personally, I would recommend the steamed egg, very special, very good flavor, and also the prawns were cooked quite well. Even the soup, the steamed chicken with the sort of medicinal herbs, that one also quite tasty. Definitely have to eat the dishes here with rice. It's a bit of it's good to be. It's meant to be eaten with rice. So do come here and try it out. Tokyo Restaurant in Restoran Benggali in Butterworth. Khoai quy khầm. Khoai con ăn mẹ khầm này là. So it's about 12:30. We spent about half an hour there, but we were early, so we got to eat quite quickly. So you can see that there's a queue outside there now already. Have to line up a little bit. The coffee shop is not very big. It's a very old building, as you can see. So this part of Fry is part of Butterworth. So there's a lot of other places to eat here as well. There's a Koi Tiao Teng down the road. I think Kim Seng Koi Tiao Teng. But I made so many Koi Tiao Teng videos lately, so maybe some other time. So okay guys, thanks a lot for watching. See you again soon. Bye.